Task analysis and chaining in applied behavior analysis. Hi! In this video, I will talk about two very important teaching strategies in applied behavior analysis. These strategies are called task analysis and chaining. They are commonly used to teach daily living skills, communication skills, and academic tasks to children with autism. Many children with autism may find complex tasks overwhelming. Instead of teaching a skill all at once, ABA professionals break the task into smaller, manageable steps. This is where task analysis and chaining become very powerful teaching tools. What is task analysis? Task analysis is the process of breaking a complex skill into small sequential steps so that it becomes easier for the learner to understand and perform. Instead of saying, "Go wash your hands," we teach the child each individual step required to complete the task. This helps children learn skills more easily, reduce frustration, build independence, master daily living routines. Example of task analysis: washing hands. Step-by-step task analysis. 1. Turn on the faucet. 2. Wet hands with water. 3. Get soap. 4. Rub hands together. 5. Scrub palms and fingers. 6. Rinse hands. 7. Turn off the faucet. 8. Dry hands with a towel. Each of these steps becomes a teachable unit. Once the steps are identified, we can use chaining procedures to teach the skill. What is chaining? Chaining is the teaching procedure used to help a learner connect all the steps of a task together in the correct sequence. Each step in the sequence is called a link in the behavioral chain. Once the learner masters one step, we move on to the next step until the entire skill is completed independently. In ABA, there are three main types of chaining. 1. Forward chaining. 2. Backward chaining. 3. Total task chaining. Let's discuss each one using the example of washing hands. Forward chaining. Forward chaining means teaching the task starting from the first step. Target only the step 1 independently. All other steps are prompted. Once the child mastered on step 1, then target the next step. Example: washing hands. Session 1. The child learns. Step 1. Turn on the faucet. The therapist helps with the remaining steps. Session 2. The child performs. Step 1. Turn on faucet. Step 2. Wet hands. The therapist helps the remaining steps. Over time, the child learns each step sequentially until the entire hand washing routine is completed independently. Forward chaining works well when the learner benefits from learning the routine from beginning to end. Backward chaining. Backward chaining starts with teaching the last step of the task first. Target only the last step independently. All other steps are prompted. Once the child mastered on the last step, then target the step above. This approach allows the child to experience immediate success because they complete the task. Example: washing hands. Session 1. The therapist helps steps 1 through 7. The child performs. Step 8. Dry hands. Session 2. The child performs. Step 7. Turn off faucet. Step 8. Dry hands. Gradually, the child learns more steps moving backward until they can complete the entire routine. Backward chaining works well when the final step is naturally rewarding. Total task chaining. Total task chaining. Target all the steps of the task simultaneously, then work on fading the prompt. As the child improves, prompts are gradually faded until the child performs the entire routine independently. Total task chaining works well when the learner can perform some steps already. Task analysis and chaining are powerful because they help children learn complex routines, build independence, improve daily living skills, reduce frustration during learning. By teaching skills step by step, we help children develop confidence and independence. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to Autism Plus. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.